Welcome to Learning Churning. Today, we're diving deep into the world of one of the ocean's most resilient creatures, the barnacle. These tiny marine marvels might look simple, but there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. So stick around as we explore the fascinating life of barnacles. Let's start with the basics. Barnacles are small, hard-shelled crustaceans that are closely related to crabs and lobsters. But unlike their more mobile cousins, barnacles are sessile, meaning they stick to one spot for most of their lives. Their bodies are protected by a tough calcareous shell made up of overlapping plates. This armor shields them from predators and the harsh conditions of the intertidal zone. But the real magic happens inside. Barnacles feed by extending feathery appendages called cirri. These cirri sweep through the water, capturing tiny plankton and detritus to munch on. And get this, the way they attach to surfaces is so strong that scientists are studying it to create better adhesives for medical and industrial use. Now let's talk about how barnacles reproduce. These guys are hermaphrodites, which means they have both male and female reproductive organs. But even with that, they still need a partner to reproduce. Barnacles have one of the longest penises relative to body size in the animal kingdom. This extraordinary feature allows them to reach neighboring barnacles for fertilization, even while staying firmly attached to their surface. Barnacles start their lives as free-swimming larvae, drifting through the ocean. When they're ready to settle down, they undergo a transformation, sticking themselves headfirst to a surface and developing their iconic shell. From then on, they're in it for the long haul. Barnacles might be small, but they have a big impact on their environment. They're notorious for biofouling, clinging to ship hulls and increasing drag, which leads to higher fuel consumption. That's why ships are often coated with anti-fouling paint to keep these hitchhikers at bay. But barnacles are also an important part of the food web. They serve as a vital food source for fish, seabirds, and even humans in some cultures. Plus, their shells provide a habitat for other small marine creatures, adding to the biodiversity of their ecosystem. Did you know some barnacles live on whales? They hitch a ride on these massive creatures, benefiting from the nutrient-rich waters the whale travels through. And barnacles can live for up to 10 years or more, making them some of the longest living creatures in their habitat. Barnacles have even captured the attention of scientists for centuries. Charles Darwin, the father of evolution, was so intrigued by them that he spent years studying barnacles and wrote several detailed monographs on the subject. So, the next time you see barnacles on a rock, a ship, or even a whale, remember, they're more than just marine hitchhikers. These resilient creatures have an amazing story to tell, and they play a crucial role in our oceans. Thanks for tuning in to Learning Churning. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of barnacles, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. And let us know in the comments, what marine creature should we explore next? See you next time.